radio station KEAS 97 in Lake City. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in North Florida: Baker, Columbia, Hamilton, and Swanee. In addition to the regular tone alarm, the Now Weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning device. Short for specific area message: sunny. Desert 3701 Fang Drive, Jacksonville, Florida 32218, or call 1-904-741-4370. You can also visit our website at weather.gov/jacks. This concludes the weekly test of Now Weather radio station West XGCC. Cannot be ruled out for
alert system designed to keep you informed in the event of a national, state, or local emergency. Positive, encouraging K-Love. God created us to worship Him, so let's worship. Positive, encouraging music. K-Love.
Are you running around in circles with no place to go? Is there a person?
Bro, they still got dating,
you
man.
don't even know?
What the heck?
Satellite Beach, South Patrick Shores, Cocoa Beach, and Indian Harbor Beach. Home to Safe Harbor until additional details at 3:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Local law enforcement reported heavy rain in the warned area due to thunderstorms. Flooding is already occurring. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cocoa Beach, Cape Canaveral, Merritt Island, Patrick Air Force Base, Port Canaveral, and Jetty Park. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles